Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are ready for 2 weeks of red alert wild weather. And to kick off this 2-week period, we've got a red beam and multiple areas to watch for today. We got a pretty severe storm that'll be breaking out over Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, and Texas, with the rare red beam in the middle. And that is for today. Tomorrow, we got another big area over the Great Lakes of severe weather to watch. And then the day after tomorrow, we have an orange risk zone. And then on the 14th, we've got a major hurricane that will be moving into Mexico, causing a lot of major problems, and then pushing up into Texas. And Dr. Tamitha Skov letting us know our super duper active sun has sent a coronal mass ejection straight at Earth. And that will be a direct hit right in the face as our sun launches beauty of a solar storm, and it's headed straight for Earth. The NASA prediction models show impact near midday, October 11th. Expect aurora views down to mid-latitudes with GPS and amateur radio disruptions likely on Earth's night side. I guess professional radio operators won't be disrupted. All right, that joke was not good. So yeah, it is definitely going to be a busy kickoff to our 2 weeks of weird and wild weather, which should end around the 24th. And if you made it through the January 2020 to October 9th Pluto Air Square period, congratulations, you are a survivor. I hope your sense of humor is still intact. But yeah, dude, the sun is totally crushing it. Its sunspot and flux activity have been way higher than anyone other than me and Scott McIntosh predicted. There's zero chance of a grand solar minimum in the next 11 years, buddy. Solar cycle update. Solar cycle 25 continues to overperform. Sunspot counts for September 2021 were the highest in more than 5 years. And for the 11th month in a row, the sunspot number has significantly exceeded the official forecast. Yes, Mr. Scott McIntosh, the sun is definitely overperforming. And the volcanoes are definitely overperforming. Everybody should know by now we have a major eruption that continues to take place at the La Palma, Canary Islands, off of Spain and Africa. It is pretty scary almost. And so we'll go one at a time. And our most clear and present danger is the storms that will be taking place later this afternoon and tonight. Greg Postel, radars will light up today over Oklahoma with severe convection as the atmosphere accommodates the arrival of an incoming upper trough. And so it'll start to break out over here, and then it'll get to its most dangerous and deadly in this zone. Tomer Berg with the hardcore science, combining dew points and reflectivity, highlights the two components of tonight's severe weather. Initially discrete supercells initiating in southwest Oklahoma near the triple point around 2122Z, quickly moving northeast. The QLCS developing after sunset along the cold front with tornado threat possible. So, yeah, expect a little bit of everything. Possible tornadoes, possible hail, possible straight line winds, possible heavy rain. But it's going to be quite a line of storms that will be moving through multiple states later this afternoon into tonight. And this will kick off our wild 2 weeks of weather. But hey, we're all almost Asteroid Fight Club weather pros at this point now, aren't we? Hey, Canadians, you guys will be in on the action as well. A late season chance for thunderstorms bubbles up in Ontario Sunday, with the greater potential in northwestern sections, where some could reach severe criteria. Meanwhile, the unseasonable warmth continues in the south. And shout out and thank you to Asteroid Fight Club and Joe. She sent me some money and told me And she told me to take 3 friends to go see the air show yesterday, since I had a problem getting more than one friend to go to the air show with me because we're all adults with schedules and it was hard at late minute. Anyway, me and H went, the 2 members of Silver Blue Sun, and we had a great time, and we got to see the Canadian Air Force as well. Although this is not them, this is the Thunderbirds. But it was a great time. But it was really, really hot yesterday, man. For the middle of October, I don't know, those guys swung and a missed on the Grand Solar Minimum and the Mini Ice Age. Maybe they'll take defeat like a champion. Be like, hey, we were wrong. Probably not, though. Man, it was a cool air show. They even simulated Pearl Harbor with pyrotechnics and explosions and stuff. And it made me miss my dad and my stepdad, who are both in the Air Force. All right. Man, the F-22 Raptor is a mean machine. Yeah, crazy days, crazy times. I'll be giving y'all multiple updates throughout the day, because that is what I do as your Planetary Defense Commander. So let's all buck up, get our game faces on, and get ready for a very wild 2 weeks of weather. All right? Hey, if you'd like to contribute to THORnews to keep THORnews up and running, I depend on your contributions to keep doing what I do. Hopefully I do a good job. I got a snail mail, a PayPal, a Venmo, a Cash App, a Patron. Only $555 left to raise for October. And I got to say thank you to Cody, the Texas Angel, Joe, Dave, Greg, Courtney, Chris, Barbara, Red, Angel, Mist, David, Dawn, Max, KJ, Alexis, Ann, Arnica, Glenda, Barbara, Lauren, Brian, Marlita, Dan, Lightsoul, Susan, Wizard of Oz, and Mike. You guys are all tremendous and incredible, and I appreciate you oh so much. And we made it through this January 27th, 2020 to October 2021 period of greed and discord and people fighting. And so I'm so super grateful for that. And World War III did not break out and civilization did not collapse. So I'm very excited. And I think I'm going to be a bit more optimistic this year, next year, and the year after that. So everybody stay cool, and I will be talking to y'all multiple times throughout the day. All right. God bless everyone, and thank you for being awesome.